over 2 years, 18 months ago. Now in this his video, he begins show disrespect to my papa. He said that my father died like chicken inside cell. First of all, fella no die inside cell. My father died a free man, surrounded by his family. But I guarantee you, Nnamdi Kanu will die inside cell like a chicken. Like a chicken. That cell is running from up and down. Shebi run. Go England under white man blanket. The white people, they commode their blanket for him body. They don't commode their blanket for him body. They commode their blankets. He can't wear Fendi. Go Kenya, go find babe. Where on our guy want the babe when they take set them up? How can they catch a revolutionary with babe? You know if you command the babe, say come UK. The babe yash sweet and saute. Baba, they send Baba yash for Instagram. Baba see yash, he enter plane from UK. He enter plane from UK to go to Kenya. That's where they catch him like chicken. Like chicken. That's why they catch you now, like a chicken. I ain't gonna be chicken. They cut him like a chicken. They hold on. You know when you hold chicken? Because they hold him out too. They tire. Igboho na Yoruba man. I be Yoruba boy. Igboho cannot be putting my own life at risk while he wants to run to Germany. He said, "One run, they catch him like chicken. They tire." Revolutionary with the run. When I hear say Che Guevara run before, where Che Guevara run go? Except we won't go meet the enemies for where they run go. Except he's rushing to fight the